So now I've given you 3 unique different ways that you can go out there and start to produce a ton more deals every single month, y'all. It's time for y'all to start 10xing y'all business. It's time to level up before the end of this year, man. What's going on, guys? It's your man Ed Hayes here, back for another video. Give me the HBO special. That's the Help a Brother Out special. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. And we're not gonna waste no time getting into today's video, y'all. So, in my previous video, I told y'all that a way to get out here and 10x your business is to get out here and really start building up relationships with other wholesalers in your market specifically. And so, I had some people ask me like, hey, do you have any other content on how to get out here and actually do these JV deals? So that's what we're gonna be talking about in this video, y'all. I'm about to give y'all the complete breakdown, step by step, of how to go out here and get your first JV deal closed. So without further ado, let's go ahead, let's get into it.
With me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ay, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never.
Alright guys, so like I said, man, we ain't gonna waste no time in this video. Let's go ahead and get right on into it. The first thing that you're gonna wanna do to get this JV deal is get yourself some buyers, all right? So this is the method that we're gonna be coming from. It's 2 different ways to do JV deals. Basically, you can be the one that actually comes with the buyer, or you can be the one that comes with the seller. It's really up to you. And just for people who may not know, a JV deal means a joint venture deal, meaning that you're gonna come with half of the deal, they're gonna come with the other half, you're all gonna put it together and you decide on what the commission rates will be between you and your partners. Usually 50-50, but everything is negotiable in real estate. So remember that. All right, so the first thing that I'm typically gonna recommend people is go out there. You wanna be connected to the money. You wanna be the person that's actually right there with the customer, like, look, this is what I'm looking for, so then you can get out into the market and find some inventory, all right? So first things first is gonna be connecting with buyers in the markets that you're looking to JV in. Now you can find these buyers in local Facebook groups, places like Craigslist, maybe for rent by owner sites, things of that nature. I've got some other select ways as well inside of my course. Definitely check it out with the link down below. But now once you get in contact with these buyers, you want to get very detailed criteria from them. You want to know exactly what types of properties they're looking for, what they like to buy, where they want it at, what price points they're looking at. I made a video recently about how to talk to cash buyers, so definitely check out that video and you can download my free cash buyer script down below. Another thing that I recommend before you really get fully active is cleaning up your social media profiles. People are gonna be looking online to try to vet you. They're gonna be trying to make sure that you're not just some weirdo, some creep, some scammer from overseas or something like that.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
So make sure that your social media profiles are up to date. It's actually looking like something, like have some post about real estate. You don't want to be the last thing that you posted on your social media being, oh yeah, I just dominated on 2K, y'all don't want none, something like that or whatever. Like you want it to be real estate mixed into whatever else you're posting onto your social media pages so you have some credibility. So there's 3 main locations where I like to find my JV deals. The first place I'm gonna tell y'all about is Facebook groups. Now, when it comes to Facebook groups, man, like you gotta act like a normal human being. You're gonna wanna go and join some local real estate related groups as well as local buy, sell, and trade type groups. And then from there, once you've joined the actual groups, you're gonna want to actually get up in there and act like a human. You're gonna wanna like some posts, comment on some other people's things before you even write your first post. Now, once you write your own first post, you're gonna write something around of like, hey guys, does anyone in this group have any off-market deals that they're looking to sell? Please shoot them my way. Me and my partners are looking to buy something. Something around those lines. You're actually working with buyers, right? And so most people aren't. So if you're saying like, hey guys, look, shoot me any deals that y'all got. If y'all want to JV, something like that, you can even say something like that if that's how you want to get down. Now, after you write your post, after you've liked and commented on some other people's stuff, what you're gonna want to do is this. You're gonna want to scroll down that group, scroll down the page, and look for other wholesalers who are already posting deals in those groups. Now, once you find some people that's posting a deal that actually looks like it could be legitimate, it's an obvious wholesale deal, what you're gonna wanna do is like that post. You may or may not actually comment on that post, but then you wanna send that person a message. And like, here's the words like verbatim, like, because a lot of people be sending some weird stuff via message or whatever, and things can get lost in translation.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Here are the words that I typically use. Man, I probably shouldn't even be telling y'all this, man. Y'all mess up my whole game. Anyway, it's all good. But look, I'm about to put y'all on to the game, man, as always. So what I'm typically saying is, hey, John, I see you got a property out in Chicago. Is this property still available? Question mark. I think I may have a buyer for it, comma. Are you interested in doing a JV? Question mark. All right, so I'll probably put that up on the screen somewhere so you can actually see that. But those are the words that I'm gonna write to as many wholesalers as I can. You don't wanna overdo it because you don't wanna get blocked by Facebook spam protector. But what you're gonna wanna do is reach out to about 10 people on Facebook groups, sending them that same message, just changing out their name and the location of the deal that they have. But keep in mind, it's a two-prong strategy. You have to post and you have to search. You have to post saying, hey, like, who's got some deals? And then you've got to search for people who are already posting their deals. It's a two-part strategy. Don't forget that. Now, once they've said, yes, I want a JV, then I'm going to reach back out to them and I'm going to be like, okay, great. If it's all right with you, I'm going to shoot this out to a few of my buyers. And once I hear from them, I'll let you know. More often than not, they're going to be like, okay.
My nigga.
Now, I haven't got the JV contract established yet, but keep this in mind. I'm only trying to actually sign paperwork once I've got money online. I don't want to just be wasting time and getting a whole bunch of contracts signed and then the next day the property is gone. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and there's other questions that I like to ask as well, but you can find out more about that inside of the course. I don't wanna make this video super long.
One eternity later.
But I've got a video inside of the course, if you've already grabbed it, titled What to Say to Other Wholesalers Before JVing with Them. Make sure that you check that video out before you even go into the process, all right? It's certain questions that you wanna be asking. So they're like, yeah, it's cool if you send it out. That's when I'm gonna actually go ahead and package up the information that they have about the property, take their name off of it obviously, and send it out to my buyers and be like, hey, let me know what you think about this one as soon as possible. It's not gonna last soon. Something around those lines. Have your little buyer package filled out, ready to go, send it out to your buyers. Now you've got inventory, all right? So kind of keep that in mind. It's gonna be similar when it comes to the other strategies, what you're gonna do after they actually say yes. So now the next strategy that I've got for y'all though to get out there and get your first or next JV deal is gonna be to get up on Facebook Marketplace, y'all. This is a gold mine that a lot of people don't really talk about enough in all reality. All right, so when you get to Facebook Marketplace, what you're gonna wanna do is search. You're gonna be doing mostly searching on Facebook Marketplace, and it's gonna look like houses for sale, assignment contract, fixer-upper, things like that. You're gonna be searching for obvious wholesaling terms on Facebook Marketplace, and there's gonna be listings that come up, right? So you're gonna see properties that are obvious wholesale deals, and you're gonna reach out to these people on Facebook Marketplace like, hey, so-and-so, I see you have this property. Is this still available? Well, I think I may have a buyer for it, basically. Basically like the same little script that you reached out to the other wholesalers in the groups with. Boom, from there, a lot of those people are gonna respond back like, yes, I'm down, I'm interested, so on and so forth. You're gonna hit them with the same pitch that you hit the people in the other groups with, like, okay, great, if it's all right with you, I'm gonna send this out to some of my buyers and get back to you. Bang. So now you've got more inventory, y'all. So Facebook Marketplace is an amazing place to get a lot of opportunities in basically any market in America. I can go in and within 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes have 2, 3, 4, 5 people that have already told me, yeah, I'm down, let's get it, let's go. I'm trying to tell y'all, tried and true strategies. So then the last strategy that I've got for you all in this video for getting that first and next JV deal is gonna be to hop on Craigslist, y'all. Craigslist is one of the best places to get out there and find yourself a JV deal. So just like with Facebook groups, you want to be posting on Craigslist and you want to be searching on Craigslist. You want to be looking into the market, seeing what's available right there. You want to be putting your own post on Craigslist as well. And I'm actually gonna have a video coming up soon, y'all. Stay tuned. Make sure that y'all hit the like button and subscribe to this channel, because I'm gonna be having a video soon showing you how to set up an automated Craigslist bot, basically like a scraper, a Craigslist scraper, where you don't have to go in and be scrolling down all of these pages. Everything that you're looking for will be saved for you, and all you gotta do, look, I ain't even gonna tell y'all everything, but trust me, I got some heat coming for y'all real soon.
It's over 9,000!
Make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out. So anyway though, guys, on Craigslist, you're gonna be emailing people saying, hey, let me know if this property is still available. Me and my partners may be interested in it, something around those lines. And you wanna be putting up posts saying, hey, if you have deals that you need help dispoing, send them our way. We're the dispo kings in the area. Something around those lines. All right, now let me even further explain it for you all who may still have some questions. At the point where the other wholesalers tells me yes, I'm gonna shoot out that information to the buyer. And then from there, once I have a buyer who's actually interested and they're talking money or wanting to go see the place, that's when I'm gonna reach out to the other wholesaler. I'm gonna be like, hey, my buyer wants to come see the place on Thursday. I'm gonna shoot you over the JV agreement. Once you get that back to me, then I'll confirm the time with him. That's usually how I do it. I like to kind of take control over the deal, let the person know, hey, this is what's gonna happen. I'm not really asking for permission. I'm letting the other wholesaler know what's gonna happen next. Now, once that wholesaler signs the JV agreement and I lock in a time with them and my buyer to go out to go see the property, that's when I'm gonna, after the buyer goes to see the property, they're gonna be interested, right? If they're interested, they're ready to pull the trigger on it. They're like, hey, send me the agreement. I'm gonna go ahead, shoot over that assignment agreement to the seller, to the wholesaler, as well as the buyer. So technically the wholesaler is assigning their rights in the contract. It's not you and the buyer, it's the wholesaler and the buyer. Keep that in mind. So the wholesaler and the buyer is gonna need to sign the assignment contract, and you can send it out. You can prepare it yourself inside a DocuSign or a Sign Now, and then you can send it out to the buyer and to the wholesaler. So boom, now once you have your assignment agreement signed, and you have that original purchase and sale agreement, and you have your JV agreement signed, guys, it's time to take all of these documents to the title company. You may have to do a little bit of work to process things, help process things with the title company if they need you to contact the seller or the buyer or the wholesaler or whatever it may be. There may be a few things that you need to do and coordinate and things of that nature. But basically from that point, the title company takes it from there, and then you'll just be waiting for the closing date on that property. I just want to kind of explain it a little bit more so we're all on the same page and you get the best results out here, because I was sure some of you all would have questions. So now I've given you 3 unique different ways that you can go out there and start to produce a ton more deals every single month, y'all. It's time for y'all to start 10Xing y'all business. It's time to level up before the end of this year, man. We're about to be ending 2021 at the time that I'm recording this. It's time to level up the business. Let's take this thing to the next level. Start getting out there, grabbing yourself some JV opportunities and 10X your business today, man. There's too many different ways to make it happen. So we talked about Facebook groups, Facebook Marketplace, and Craigslist, man. So it's no excuses. Get out there and make it happen, y'all. Look, if y'all found value in this video, man, make sure that y'all give me the HBO special, man. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I got a goal, guys. I'm trying to hit 12,500 subscribers before the end of this year. It's a big goal, it's a crazy goal, but it's my goal. And the only way I'm gonna hit that goal is if y'all give me that HBO special, man. So help a brother out and hit that like button. But man, share this video with others as well if you find it helpful. Definitely check out the Wholesale University course down below. And if you all want to hop on a strategy session with me personally and just get some game, I have 90-minute strategy sessions available down below where you all can chat with me. We can talk one-on-one. It's not a virtual assistant or something. You'll be talking to me personally, and I'll give you some one-on-one advice and game on your business, man. So hit the links down below. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, man. As always, I hope that y'all staying healthy and staying blessed. And until next time, guys, we are out.